Nice. Severe thunderstorm warning. Oh, if I can get my chair in. Get it.
Until 5:45 p.m. At 5:03 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line.
This reception's pretty bad.
Near Elizabeth and near Springfield, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard 70 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail.
That's considerable, isn't it? Ah, that's where it's at. Okay. That makes sense. I bet we'll get one for most of Stevenson soon.
Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Monroe, Darlington, Shellsburg, Belmont, Benton, Argyle, Blanchfield, Fall River, Weena, Wiwx, South Wayne, Elmhurst,
Well, we cooking now.
Lamont, Browntown, Gratiot, Putnam, Calamine, Reed Mine, and Jordan Center. Other landmarks included are the following: location York Memorial Church. The main alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for south central Wisconsin.